If you're getting that geary noise, and when you're putting paper right here and you're trying to pass to the feeder, that'll be your issue. What you're going to do, just take this cover off, pop it off, and then this coupling, the copper coupling, has to fit in. So you're going to want to use your fingers, put some tension on it wherever it needs, either this way or that way. Yeah, just pop it back, straighten this out, make sure it's straight. And that's basically it. Then you just put the cover back on, close it. Just double check that this gear right here doesn't look broken, or this one doesn't look broken either. Again, all it's going to be is that piece, that metal piece holding that coupling, is a little bent, so it just needs to get pushed back to place. And that's it.